In 1934, American Airlines was established. It was the start of a remarkable journey. In the years since, we've grown to a dedicated team of tens of thousands, with one of the largest fleets in the industry, flying to destinations all around the world, serving billions of customers, and making a difference in our communities. We remain steadfast in each step we take on our journey to modernize our airline. We began this journey with investments like the largest order book of new aircraft in the industry, with hundreds of new airplanes on the way, expanding our international service into Europe, Asia, and Latin America, fully lie-flat business class seats with all aisle access, in-seat entertainment on all cabins across our entire fleet, and leading technologies for our people like handheld tablets for flight attendants and iPads for pilots in the cockpit. All of this with one thing in mind: to best serve our customers. We know there are still big decisions that need to be made about our future, but today marks the next step in our journey to modernize as we prepare for the first two 777-300 aircraft to enter service in just a matter of weeks. We've known for more than 2 years that we were building anticipation towards a moment in time when the outside of our aircraft reflects the progress we've made on the inside. You've been hearing a lot about how the modern travel experience is going to feel, and today we're ready to show you how it's going to look. With that, I'm pleased to introduce you to the new look of American. We continue our journey forward with pride in what we make possible, representing the best of a nation, and proud to bear the name American.